Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to take a look at the Google Pixel 6 Pro and a few Poetic cases that they sent me. So again, first of all, big shout out to Poetic Cases for sending me out some cases for the Pixel 6 Pro. I've had this phone for a week, and I've been using the case that they sent me, which is the Pixel 6 Pro case. Here, it's just a clear case, but again, I haven't really seen or looked at any other aftermarket cases. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers buy, different brands of cases, and I personally haven't tried anything else out. For the most part, this having a glass back, you do want to have a case. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this case first. Today, it will be the Poetic Guardian Series Google 6 Pro case. A lot of these times, these are like OtterBox cases that will protect the phone pretty good. And again, I want to thank Poetic Cases for sending me the actual item out, because they always send me cases for new phones that I get. So big shout out to them, and hopefully this phone looks good. And the cool part about these cases are they actually, obviously, they come with instructions, they come with the cleaning, little brackets, etc., like that. And they come with a top portion which will protect the actual screen if you want it to, right? Which this one, I believe, is just the clear plastic area over here. And then let's look at the rest of it here. Oh my goodness. So this looks like a pretty rugged case. Again, I'm not sure if the other one is a rugged case as well. This one looks like it's a see-through case though, which is pretty cool. And again, I've had a few of these cases in the past. This one's interesting because it also does have the little thing for the fingerprint sensor, although I probably won't use that just because I've heard a lot of people are having issues with these see-through ones, or anything that you put on top of the actual glass screen will interfere with the fingerprint sensor. So most likely I will be using this one, which will be okay. Should be fine. And again, it's just a matter of getting this off. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that off. Usually this comes on separately, actually, so that's a little bit of a shocker to me, but yes and no. But anywho, so yeah guys, again, a big shout out to Poetic Cases. I will be posting the links in the description down below so you guys can check this out. Sorry about that, there's a lot of plastic stuff that you need to work around. I want to say it'll go like that, but let's go ahead and get the case popped in really quick. Again, this is the Google Pixel 6 Pro, not the regular 6, so I will be linking the case for this one. Oh, you know what, hold on, let's get this in first. Usually you have to pop this in first, I think. There you go. So you have to pop this in first, and then you just pop this in with that, and there you go. So here we go. This is what the case looks like with it. I'll be honest though, this case is a little bulky for my taste. All the way around though, you can see here that it does have some nice edging there. So again, if you drop this, again, it's going to get a lot of protection. Obviously, even in the front here, oops, sorry, you're seeing my Twitter account there in the background. That's okay. Obviously in the front here though, you do see a little bit of curvage there from the front. So again, even if you drop it on its face, you're still going to get some sort of protection over here, just because again, it does have that little round, it has that curved edge over here in the corner here. So there's that case. Let's go ahead and get the other case unboxed. And again, they sent me two sets of cases. They actually sent me the Pixel 6 cases as well, but I don't have the Pixel 6, so I might be doing a giveaway on that. Let's take a look at this. I'm not sure. I think this might be the same exact case though. Let me see. Guardian. This one says Poetic Guardian Series case. Hold on, making sure. Guardian Series. So actually they sent me the same case. I believe it's the same case if I'm not correct on it. Let me just go back and check really quick on this. And if it is, then I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as that. Yeah, this does look like the same case. I'm not sure why they sent me two versions of this, but in any case, I do want to give again Poetic Cases a big shout out for sending this out. It does allow you to see the back of the phone. Again, though, this might not be for everyone. I feel like this is for someone that will obviously want a little bit more added protection. And again, you can see here, I don't have that protective cover on. So it's, you know, I'm going to have an easier time with the fingerprint sensor. And it is Halloween. So happy Halloween, guys. So again, guys, this is Mike from Crypto Tech. Just kidding. Mike from B-Tech Review signing off. By the way, I do have another channel called Crypto Tech Mike. So if you want to check that out. So again, guys, I'm sorry about that. My camera spazzed out a little bit. But anywho, guys, again, this is, you know, Mike from B-Tech Review signing off. If you guys want to check out my other channels, I do have a crypto channel called Crypto Tech Mike and another channel called Toyota Tech. So again, this is Mike from B-Tech Review signing off. This is the Poetic Guardian series case. If you guys like the case, I'll go ahead and leave you guys a link in the description down below so you can check that out. Again, thanks for watching. Leave a smash on the like button, and we'll see you guys next time.